So these are my home surroundings in the backyard. Right behind that hedge is our patio, the barbecue. It looks a little bit shabby, but of course this weather doesn't help anything either. So here's our big lawn. Nice enough to play a little bit of soccer, take the golf clubs out, or just getting some tan. Of course not today though. And there's the little brat, Rosita. Nope. She does not care about Mom at all. Rosita! And there she comes. Oh my god. Oh. I guess this is all there is to see. Right now anyway. Well, I'm signing off.